Welcome to the coding lecture of logistic regression. In this example, we'll see how do we classify two classes based on the marks that a student has got. So in the dataset, you'll be provided with two subjects for each student. So based on the marks of both the subjects, whether he has passed, that is class 1, or whether he has failed, that is class 0. So as usual, let's get started with importing the libraries. As usual, we'll be using NumPy, Matplotlib, Pandas, and scikit-learn. Next, let's upload our dataset, that is marks.txt. Again, this will be provided in the GitHub link that we've given you. So once that is uploaded, again, we'll be using pd.read_csv to read the text file. So here we've given header equals to none because it's just a text file and there's no header provided. Let's also visualize how our text file looks. So basically, this is the simple text file. There are two subject marks, say this, separated by a comma, and again the second subject marks, and then 0 or 1, whether he's passed or failed. That's done for all the students. Now we saw that all the three columns were provided together and we want to slice the column. So basically splitting it into X and Y data sets because it's not been directly provided to us. The last column, as we saw, was 0 and 1. We'll keep that separately for Y values. And the first two columns we'll put as our X values. So this is data slicing. We use data.ilog. Now this semicolon indicates all rows, and this after the comma, semicolon -1 indicates that we do not want the last column. Over here, semicolon indicates all rows, and just -1 indicates that only the last column. Note that there's no semicolon here. Next, we'll plot the data set. Now, as you also saw in the theory lecture of logistic regression, we go ahead with plotting the scatter plot. So this is the code for that. So in the scatter plot, we'll be using two colors, one for the admitted or passed, and secondly for the not admitted. So y equals to 1 is for the admitted students, and y equals to 0 is for the non-admitted students. So you see we have the scatter plot. The red points are the not admitted students and green are the admitted ones. Our next step will be to split the data into training and test set. Again, we use the train test split that's there in scikit-learn, which we had imported over here. Again, as you saw in the previous example for linear regression, we use the dot fit function so that it's trained on the training dataset. Again, we use the logistic regression function here that we have imported earlier from scikit-learn. Okay, so once the training is done, let's predict the probabilities of our test set. So here we see that we use the dot predict method in order to predict the 0 or 1 labels. But if you want to see the probabilities of prediction, you use the dot predict underscore probab. So for example, if our label has been predicted as 1, but you want to see the actual probability, so it might be 80% or something. So for that, you use this. So basically, while using dot values, we first convert the data frame into a NumPy array. And you can see here, so this is the actual data point. For example, the 2 marks of a particular student. These are the labels and these are the probabilities. So you can see that the actual label is 1 and 0 here, whereas the predicted probabilities are 0.51 and 0.48. So 0.51 will get classified as 1 and this as 0. You can see that here it's 0 0, but here you can see it's greater than 0.5, so this will go into 1. So predicted label is actually different than the actual label. Let's now calculate our accuracy. So the accuracy on our set is 0.84, precision is 1, recall is 0.714.